Upgrade the way you mount wall art with our acrylic Z-clip kits. Available in multiple sizes, these low-profile cleats provide reliable support for a wide range of displays. With a 5/8 inch liftoff and 1/2 inch depth, the cleats offer a secure flush mount. Each kit includes 2 acrylic cleats, with mounting hardware and bumpers with 3M adhesive strips. Start by measuring and marking your installation area. Drill pilot holes on the marked points and secure one cleat to the wall using the included screws and anchors. Use shorter screws to secure the second cleat to the back of your frame, and apply the acrylic bumpers toward the bottom to keep it parallel against the wall. The 2 cleats will interlock to secure the panel to the wall, creating a stunning floating display. Available now from MBS Standoffs, your source for high-quality mounting and display solutions.